Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Wieners. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. We grilled hamburgers and Wieners at the barbecue. Wieners refer to a type of sausage, typically made from pork or beef, and often served on a bun with condiments like mustard or ketchup. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.